Hi everyone, I'm Anna. Welcome back to Anna's Simple English Life. Today, we are going to unpack groceries together. You will learn easy, real-life English while watching a calm daily routine. Before we start, please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me and supports my English lessons. Now, let's begin. I just came back from the grocery store. It was a nice walk. I put the grocery bags on the kitchen table. I always feel a sense of calm when I come home with fresh food. I like to unpack groceries slowly. It helps me stay organized and relaxed. Taking my time with small tasks makes my day feel peaceful. First, I look at everything I bought today. Seeing all the colorful food makes me happy. I usually buy simple and healthy food. It's good for my body and my mind. Let's look at some new words. The place I bought food is called a grocery store. These are my grocery bags. Now, we will unpack them on the table. I start with fruits and vegetables. They are so colorful and fresh. I always unpack them first. Here are some bright red apples. They look so fresh and green. I will eat one for a snack later. I also bought some yellow bananas and deep red tomatoes. I like to eat fruit every day. It's a healthy and delicious habit. I wash the apples gently under cool water. Then, I dry them and put the fruits in a pretty bowl on the counter. It makes my kitchen look nice. I place the vegetables, like lettuce and carrots, in the fridge. This keeps them crisp and fresh. Here are some useful phrases for you. You can say, I bought some apples. Or, I put it in the fridge. I love having fresh food at home. Next, I unpack dry food. These are items that don't need to be kept cold. They can be stored in the cabinet. I bought some brown rice and whole wheat pasta. These are easy to cook for a quick dinner. I also bought some healthy snacks. Sometimes I like crackers with cheese or a little piece of dark chocolate. It's nice to have a small treat. I put everything in the kitchen cabinet. I like my kitchen to look clean and neat. An organized space helps me feel calm and happy. Keeping the cabinets tidy makes cooking much easier. Now, I unpack the cold items. It's important to put these away quickly. I bought milk for my morning coffee and some orange juice for breakfast. I put them in the fridge right away. Keeping food cold is important. It helps the food stay fresh for a longer time. This is especially true for dairy products like milk and yogurt. I close the fridge door gently. Everything looks organized now. I take all the empty bags and fold them neatly. I will use them again next time. We put away all the cold items. My kitchen feels complete. All the groceries are unpacked. The kitchen is tidy and full of fresh food. I feel calm and happy when my kitchen is clean. Small daily tasks like this one can be very relaxing. They give us a moment to be quiet and mindful. Unpacking groceries is also a good time to practice English. You can name the food items as you put them away. You can repeat the new words you learned today. For example, you can say apple, milk, or pasta out loud. It's a simple way to learn. Let's review 3 useful sentences from today. I bought some groceries. I put the food in the fridge. I like to stay organized. Thank you for unpacking groceries with me. I hope you enjoyed this quiet moment and learned some new English words. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your support means so much to me. See you in the next video. Bye.